In order to change out a core in a deadbolt, take your blue tagged control key, insert it into your existing core, turn the key 10 degrees clockwise. The old core will now come out. Remove the key, take your new core, using your control key, turn it 10 degrees clockwise. Insert the new core into the deadbolt. Make sure it is seated properly. Turn that key back to the vertical position. Remove your blue control key. Take your new operating key and verify function of the lock. Once your work is complete, take the blue tagged control key and return it using the enclosed shipping label.